You ready? Chase.
Good boy.
Here.
Good throw.
Good job. Are you going to pitch? Let's practice with our right hand too, just in case you're going to be right-handed. And throw it. Throw it. You want to throw it? Or you want to throw it with that hand? All right.
Wow, looks like maybe a lefty. I don't know.
Want to throw it again? Oh, yeah. Now you're going to put it in your mouth. Okay, throw it one more time. Yay!
Alrighty.
Yay! Let's see if you can throw it lefty now. Oh, then you put it in your mouth. Good thing Mama's wiping it. You can throw it? You can... Okay, one more time for the camera, okay? I throw it. Oh, then you put it in your mouth. How about you throw it? One more time for the camera. You throw it?
There you go. Good boy.
We'll have to send that to Grandma. Grandma Sue will love that. Oh, okay. Mama didn't wipe it off. Are we going to throw it?
There's Frankie.
Yay! Throw it! Mama's going to wipe it off. We're going to throw it one more time for the camera. Or we're going to eat it. You gonna throw it or eat it?
Good job.
You want me to do it again? Oh, here. You throw it?
Whee! Strong arm.
We'll send that to Uncle Brent too.